Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. This is Jennifer Perry, and today we're going to be working on the unboxing of Spirit of Flight by Josephine Wall. And guys, I think I've lost my ever-loving mind, because not only is this my third Josephine Wall painting, this is the largest canvas in my stash. I don't know what I was thinking. This is going to take me probably 5 months to complete. Now, I'm not starting it just yet. This is just the unboxing today, but you guys will definitely be on the journey with me. I'm going to take my little sticker that comes in the kit and stick it on the end of my box. That sticker is just for storage purposes only and helps me keep track of what I have. I'm going to go ahead and feature the toolkit because not everybody knows what's in it. So first off is the drill pin, the tweezers that only come in square kits, a squishy, you get 2 of the heart waxes, quite a few baggies, and a multi-placer. So every kit comes with instructions, so if you have not been a diamond painter before, every kit comes with instructions, and there is a coupon code in every kit. And that is a massive amount of drills. Okay, here's our description sticker and our drill container stickers. And guys, there are 66 colors in this kit and 2 ABs. I'm going to take just a minute to put my stickers into my logbook. This serves a couple of purposes for me. My logbook is a record of the videos that I produce for you. It is also a record of the paintings that are in my stash. It kind of helps me keep from duplicating what I have. And then the third thing is it keeps my container stickers flat. The weight of the book helps keep my stickers flat so they don't get all bent up and I don't run the risk of losing one of my stickers. At the end of this video, I'll put the drills and the canvas back in the box, but I always keep my stickers in the logbook. Just works better for my brain that way. I love that DAC now provides stickers for the drill containers, but you do have to take some care because they are peel-off stickers and they will come off that backing sheet if you're not careful. So I found for me this is the best way of keeping both my description sticker and my drill stickers all together. And of course Biscuit, anytime the camera's on, Biscuit has to come see what's going on. He has a 6th sense about this camera. So the information that I'm writing in my logbook is ordered, received, start, and finish. Those are really the only 4 dates that I'm worried with. I used to put information like whether the drills were good, whether the canvas was in good shape. I don't need to do that with DAC anymore. And then they also provide everything on the description sticker, so that's just less I have to write. I am referencing my Gem Flows app because I keep a copy in my phone and on paper form because that's just what I like to do. And then I'm just going to staple my drill container stickers to this little piece of paper. There is a section that is free and clear of any stickers and safe to staple on. So I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm not going to open the drills today because I'll never get them back in this handy little package. I will feature the drills in the kitting up video. So you'll get to see all of the individual drills there, but you'll still be able to see the colors in the canvas. Scoot everything over. Again, this is the largest canvas I have worked on. My husband was sitting next to me when I was doing this, and he looked over and all he said was, wow. He was thoroughly impressed with both the size, the artistry, the rendering, the colors, everything. If this is even remotely on your wish list, buy it. It's worth it. So I'm going to roll it backwards to kind of help flatten the canvas out. You can only do this with a poured glue canvas. Do not try and do this with a double-sided sticky tape canvas. It will not work. But with poured glue, you just roll it back on itself and it will flatten right out. Just like that. And then there are four, count them, 4 drills that I'm going to have to be very careful with. They're all arrows. One is an up arrow, one is a down arrow. I'm just showing my hand for scale right here. One's an up arrow, one's a down arrow, and then you've got 2 of those corner arrows where it's arrows pointing down in the corners of the squares. I'll show you a sample here in just a moment right there. So I'm going to have 4 drills that I have to be just very careful with. But again, I work in small sections, so keeping my fingers crossed, I will not make a mistake. But I am going to have to just be mindful of those. But again, look how crystal clear this canvas is. Why would you buy an inferior canvas when you can work with this? If you can afford to. I mean, I do have to put that in there. These are expensive canvases, but look what you get for your money. Again, this is probably going to take me about 5 months to complete, and you will be on the journey with me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know you have a choice of channels that you can be watching, and I am so thankful that you choose to spend a few minutes of your day with me. Bye.